I just love the smell of fear. Flashing before your eyes. Pick it up. And I don't mean it metaphorically or rhetorically or poetically or theoretically. I'm deaf. Straight up. I find the very idea of 9 lives absurd. And you didn't value any of them.
Maybe one life is enough.
But I think we've reached the end now, you and I. Are you gonna fight? Pick it up. Pick it up! What's the matter? Lives flashing before your eyes?
No. Just one. I'm done running.
This is gonna be fun. Bien. You really gotta stop losing that.
Pick it up. I know I can never defeat you, Lobo, but I will never stop fighting for this life.
You're ruining this for me. I came here for an arrogant little legend who thought he was immortal. But I don't see him anymore. Live your life, Puss in Boots. Live it well. You know we will meet again, right?
Sí, hasta la muerte.